Hi guys. So just a quick heads up. There was a new version of NetBeans released recently, so you may want to check that out. NetBeans 8. But anyways, this video is going to be about building a basic navigation menu. So yeah, let's get started. We know what all of this is, so that's all good. I'll just leave that because it's irrelevant. So basically, what we want if we are going to have a navigation menu for our website is we would need multiple pages first. So let's just create another HTML site. We'll call this page 2, and we create another one, and we can call this page 3. Alright, so let's go back to the index. Now, if you remember, a div element is basically a block on your page, and since we would like to have it appear, we would like the navigation menu to appear as a block. We'll go ahead and use that. So if you remember, the way to make links is to do like the A tag with the href, and the first link is just going to be the index link. So it will be index.html. We close this tag, close the tag, and in it we can type home. Since index is home, we can do another one for page 2.html. Call it page 2. Close that. Another one for page 3. Page 3. Okay, great. So now if we were just to check this out, let me just go to it quick. Cool. So this is the page. There we go. And we see home, page 1, page 2. We click on page 2. It goes to page 2, and we notice we never put a menu there. So in the future, there are going to be ways to just do this kind of automatically for us. But for now, since all we're using is HTML, we'll just go ahead and copy and paste it. And that should work. And I'm going to put a heading tag in all of these to help us identify which page we're on at any time. So this is page 2. This is page 3. And this is index. Oops. Okay, so that's index. Good. So now we can run it again. Refresh this. So we're on page 2. It tells us we're on page 2. Home, you can go to home. Page 3 goes to page 3, back to page 2. And great, that works pretty well. But something you may notice now is that this looks kind of ugly, and it looks nothing like most navigation menus do. So the thing that kind of controls how something might look, that is called CSS. So that stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and that's something we will move into in the next video. But for now, I want to give you a little way to utilize some of this stuff. So now, what if I wanted these to show some sort of images? Maybe I want to do some. Let me search for clip art. Alright, so what if I want to show this image instead of the home text there, because that would be kind of neat. So I'm just gonna copy the image URL there, and then let's see if we can do this. So we have this link, and we want to show an image inside the link because we want to be able to click the image and act as the link. So right here, I'll just put it before this. So image source, and I can just put in my source there. And let's see if that works. Maybe it is as simple as that. So go back to this, refresh. Wait, I need to be on the home page. Look at that. That works. I click on home and it keeps me at home. But now, as you may notice, this is ugly and huge, and we don't want that. So we can just, there are a couple of attributes here. We can change the height to, let's say, 30 pixels. And why is it giving me an error? Add value. Oh, I think it's just 30. Yeah, it's just 30. Yeah. Refresh it. Look at that. That looks a lot nicer. Maybe we can make it a bit bigger. But as you can see, the home is to the right instead of, it would be nicer if we put it on the bottom of that image. So first of all, let's make this around 50. And now how would we put it below the image? So the way to do that might be to put it in a paragraph tag. And let's see what happens. Oh, good, that works. But as you can tell, that's not good. The page 2 and the page 3 need to be on the same line. So those kind of issues can be solved very easily when using CSS, and that'll be in the next video. But this is just what I wanted to show you for now. And just to make sure that the link does work, I'm going to get rid of these parentheses, paragraph tags quickly. Copy this home thing, save that, change this, and make sure to save every time you paste, and save. So now when I go back and hit refresh, it shows home, and with home, when I go to page 2, page 3, back to home, and that works pretty well. So that kind of gives us a nicer sort of navigation menu. Next time when we learn CSS, we will be able to make this look a lot nicer. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, rate, comment. Thank you.